In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide YouTube video controls on WordPress. Right now, I'm on a blog post on my website. If I scroll down, obviously, if you look around, you know that the video is from YouTube. So if I start playing the video, you see everything about YouTube, and users can even click, say, on this link to take them to the particular video on YouTube. However, I don't want users to be able to detect that my video is from YouTube. So first of all, let me exit from here. Before I go ahead and show you how we can hide the controls, first of all, let me show you how we can embed the video directly from YouTube. So to do that, I go to the particular blog post I want to embed my video on. So I click on post. I have the blog post here. I click on edit. Whilst it's loading, I can go over to YouTube, and this is the particular video I want to embed on my blog post. So I'll just right click on it, then copy link address, then come back to my blog post. Then I scroll to the particular section I want to embed the video, maybe here. So what I do is I just hover and click on add blog. Then I can search for YouTube. I have YouTube embed here. I click on it. In this way, I paste in the link I've copied from YouTube. Then I click on embed. As simple as that, the video is embedded. If I save, then I go ahead and view the post. Scrolling down, I have the video here, and people will be able to detect that the video is on YouTube. But I don't want this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and install a plugin that will give me the opportunity to be able to hide the YouTube video controls. To do that, I go over to plugins. Then I click on add new. I will open it and right click on a new tab. I don't want to leave this page. So I'll go here and add the plugin I want to use. From here, I search for Presto. I have the plugin here, Presto Player. I click on install now. It is installed. I go ahead and activate. Now the plugin is installed and activated. I'm not going to go through the setup. I'll just go ahead and exit it from here. Then I can close this dashboard. I already have something open here. So what I want to do is I'll just select this video here. Then I go ahead and take it off like this. Now let's go ahead and insert the video again by using the Presto Player plugin we just installed. So I hover on add block, just click on it. Then I search for Presto. Okay, it's not showing, and the reason is that the page is not refreshed yet. So what I want to do is I'll just go ahead and refresh this. Scrolling down, take note the video will still be there simply because I didn't save. So first of all, I take it off. Then I hover here again, click on add block. Then I search for Presto, and I have it right here, Presto Player. I select it. We have normal video, which you can upload onto your WordPress website. We have YouTube, Vimeo, audio, and Bunny.net. For this demonstration, we are using YouTube, so I select it. Remember, I still have the video copied to my clipboard. I'll just right click and paste it. Then I click on add video. Now you see that we still have the video controls. If I publish or save, then I go to the front end and refresh. You see that the features has changed, but I still have the video controls. But people won't be able to tell it's from YouTube. So this will do. However, if you want to hide some of the controls again, you can come back to the blog post, select the video, then make sure you are under block after selecting the video. Then going down, under video preset, you see that at the moment it's set to default. You can choose coarse, simple, minimal, and you see that with minimal the other controls are not there anymore. You can also use YouTube optimized. For this demonstration, I don't want to show the controls, so what I want to do is I'll choose minimal. It should also be noted that any of these will be able to hide the YouTube controls, but for this I just want to hide all controls. So I click on minimal, then I click on save. It is saved. Now I go ahead and refresh my video, sorry, my page, and you see that I don't have the controls anymore. I can play the video.
A few years ago, in a small village
and the
just
controls are
outside
not there.
Tamale.
So that's how you can remove YouTube video controls from your website.